Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to API testing training. So last videos we have seen register, login, creating task, getting the task as well as updating the task using put method. So already we have covered post, get, put. So if anyone missing to see the videos, go back to my previous video and you can review. It's better to see from the first so you will understand the basic of API as well as all the methods. So the last method we haven't seen is delete. So let's go back to the document. See, deleting the task. So deleting the task, you have to use particular ID. So we cannot delete all the thing, all the simply all the task from the DB. So you have to pass the task ID. Okay. So the URL is task ID. Just go to Postman, go back to new tab. So I will use same 139. Instead of get, I need to use delete. So method itself it says delete something. So when you click on send, so this thing mostly we won't use in production. When we are testing API with pre-prod or QA environment, we can use delete. Mostly we'll use get method, or if you want to test something new data, we'll use post method. So just send. Again, see API key is missing. So go back to your login. So once you log in, whatever API you will get, copy that. Once you have this correlation thing, you should always use that API key or access token. So these things in header as well as authorizations. So here this API is developed like we can use it in header itself. Okay. Then I want to check something. I want to check how many tasks is created with these users. Sorry, I have used put method. That's why. Okay. 139 tasks. Yeah. See here you can see two tasks. Task manager V1 task. So here is the two tasks. I think this we can delete as of now. The last one is also no need. Oh, we have removed that actually. Let's see. Create all the tasks. Getting all the task API in header authorization. Just move here just to understand. So you have two tasks, 139 and 140. In delete, I have used 139. Okay, I have used API as well. So when you trigger this API, task deleted successfully. So I have created this all the task APIs. Like when you trigger all the task, like getting all the task API, just see, you can see only one, nothing else, because we have deleted it. So we have deleted 139. When you try to delete again, it will say task failed to delete. Please try again, because ID is different. That's why. Okay. Okay guys, I think from this series of video you guys have understood what is API and how to test API, and what are the thing when we are testing API, what are the thing we need to validate, as well as the different method of get, post, put, delete we have used. So if you guys have any suggestion to cover more, please put into comments. Please subscribe for more videos on more chapter. So this channel is actually made up of creating training videos for testing, DevOps, and as per the user suggestion as well. Thank you guys. Thank you. Please subscribe.